Housing. Verb. Present participle of house. We are housing the company's servers in Florida. Housing. Noun. The activity of enclosing something or providing a residence for someone. Housing. Noun. Residences, collectively. She lives in low-income housing. Housing. Noun. A mechanical components container or covering. The gears were grinding against their housing. Housing. Noun. A cover or cloth for a horse's saddle, as an ornamental or military appendage, a saddlecloth, a horse cloth, in plural, trappings. Housing. Noun. An appendage to the harness or collar of a harness. Housing. Noun. A niche for a statue. Reference. Please support us with your subscription.